Hi, this is DragonROTMG, and today I am going to show you how to make a room Automatica private server. This is a full tutorial. I haven't seen any in YouTube yet. So first, what you want to do is you want to install the private server. I will put the link in the description. And you want to install MySQL, which I will also put in the description. Now what you want to do is you want to launch the MySQL installer, what I have right here. You put yes, and we'll configure it a little bit, and just wait a little bit. I have a little tutorial for myself, so if I forget what to do, then I can check real quick. So you pretty much wait for it to configure. It takes a while. You can go to the toilet and take a pee at the same time while it's doing it, so yeah. There we go. You click yes. It's gathering required information. It shouldn't take for like forever. It should go pretty fast if you have faster internet connection. So yeah. So now you install MySQL products. You accept, next, skip the check for updates, next, execute, next, execute, and now you just wait. I'm gonna skip this part. Hi, I'm back. So it has installed successfully. Now we go next, and now the root account password. I will put the password in the description. It is botmaker, small capital letters. Everything is small capital. You go next. You don't have to uncheck this. You go next, and now you have to wait a little bit more, and you go next. And the samples and examples should take a little bit longer, so I'm gonna skip this part too. So now it has successfully installed. You go next, and you make sure you check this, start MySQL workbench after the setup. Next, you go finish, then you wait a little bit, then a workbench should pop up. There you go, welcome to MySQL workbench. There you go. Should load a little bit. There we go. You should have this exactly like that. The names of this, it doesn't matter. Now you go manage, import, and you want to put the password, which is botmaker. I recommend save the password in Malt, so you don't have to each time enter it. You press OK. You have to wait a little bit. Now what you do is you go to data, import and restore. Click that. You go to import from self-contained file, and you select and you go to the private server what you installed. I have it right over here. You go to ROTMG SVR master, and you find out a thing called database. Click it and you open it, and then down here there's a button called start import, and you want to click it. and when it's completed, you have the server done, basically. So you close this, and now what you want to do, wait, let me check one thing. Yeah, there we go, it's done. Now you go to your, now you want to, oh right, before you boot database, make sure you have extracted the ROTMG private server by plols, and I have called a private server like that. And there are 2 shortcuts in the server, in the folder. I'll show you where to find them. You go ROTMG is where a master, you go server, bin, debug, and there should be a shortcut, or you can just click the server and run as administrator. Then you go to a W server, click it, bin, debug, and you run a server as administrator. And there's a shortcut in here too. Make sure you have the folder called private server, little capital letters like that, so the shortcuts work. You open, whoops, make sure you run these as administrator, like that, and W server as administrator, like that. It should go not support type merchant, and that should say listening to port 80. Make sure you have your Skype closed, because Skype uses the same port, and then it will not work. And then you go to the client, make sure you have Flash Player Projector, and you drag it into your Flash Player Projector, and you should have it working. It takes a little bit. Takes a little bit of time. There we go. You log in as admin.hotmail.fr, and the password is 12345678. Numbers. Sign in, and you'll have your characters already made here. And as you see, I'm Tashi. And there you go. You have all the cool characters and stuff. So that's how you create a private server. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. See, it works. Cool and stuff. Yay. White star, and you have a vault where you can store your items. You have like a lot of gold and stuff. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If you have any problems, then just comment them or make a video and then show the problems. And if you make a video, then I can help you better. I'll make a tutorial. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.